Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to Alaskan 150. Today we're going to be installing a 21 and up F-150 steering wheel. The steering wheel we're going to be installing is this one from Repsol. It's the red session with the red ring. I think it's going to look pretty cool. I already have a custom steering wheel, and it's this one right here. I liked it a lot, but here with the cold in the winter, the change from the heated garage to the extreme cold outside made the steering wheel crack over here. I think it was a good fit for my truck since I have all the black details. But I mean, this one's gonna work pretty good, I think. Alright guys, for you guys probably it's been like 1 second. For me it's been 2 months since I installed the steering wheel. I'm gonna show you guys. So I've been driving around with this for the past 2 months. To be honest, it's a really good improvement. Definitely the leather feels pretty good. It's holding out really nice. It's around the same thickness as the original one, so that's pretty good. Let me take this time to tell you guys what I've done in the past 2 months. Pretty much, we did the steering wheel. We also got the truck tinted. It's 20%, so on the back it's 20% on top of the factory tint and 20% on the front, and nothing on the windshield, because basically that's when the cops here will start not figuring out, but that's when they start messing with you. I took off the rear block or leaf spring block, whatever. I don't quite like it, so I'll probably be putting that back because I feel like it's too squatted. I've been looking at some on Amazon that are like 1 inch. I measure mine's like the block is like 1.25. as for future plans, I ordered a set of wheels. So stay tuned for that. Still figuring out what kind of tires I'm gonna be using on those wheels. Something I can use all around in the year, and it's a good size, and because this ones are 295, 65, 20, so they're like a 35, 11.5 on 20s. So stay tuned definitely for the new wheels and tires. I'm really excited for that. Future plans, trying to see how can I order the trim or skid plate, best cost-effective way, because Alaska, it's kind of hard to get big stuff over here. So yeah, thank you guys for all the support. Make sure subscribe and leave a like, a comment. My email is in the description of the channel. If you have any questions, you can feel free to email me. And see you guys in the next one.